Hi, my loves. Because of the weather and because of our activities for this week, I thought you might enjoy one more book about the weather and about something else that we'll see if you catch on to. This book is called Let It Rain. It is written by Marianne Kocher-Leffler. I wonder, maybe she's also the illustrator. That's why there's no illustrator listed. Let it rain. It's spring. Singing birds, budding trees, frogs and tulips, honeybees. Whoa, look at everything that's growing because it's spring. The trees are blossoming, the flowers are blossoming. Look at the tadpoles have turned into frogs. The birds are chirping. The sky looks sunny and bright. Digging, tilling, seeds to sow, planting carrots in a row. Springtime usually means the weather warms up and you are able to garden. Any ideas yet? But then heavy downpours, rivers flood, our flower garden turns to mud. He looks happy. They look like they might start singing, rain, rain, go away. Let it rain. Rainbows, green grass, soccer, fun, picnic, swinging in the sun. Look at all the fun activities you can do. Lambs and bunnies, puppy licks, newborn kittens and little chicks. How many chicks can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Aw, 14 baby chicks hatched. You can see all the eggshells. And look at the kittens. Wow. Building, painting way up high. Our little house in the sky. I always wanted a tree house. Wowzers, this is so fun. But then, black flies, spiders, little ants, farmer pants, oops. But then, black flies, spiders, little ants crawl inside our farmer pants. Those do look like farmer pants. I want some farmer pants. Let it rain. Riding, gliding, cupcake treat, twirling, dancing, beat, bop, beat. But soon, steamy classrooms, blazing heat, wearing sandals on our feet. Whoa, what season comes after spring? Hooray, hooray, last day of school, heading to the swimming pool. Summer is coming, let it shine. Wow, my loves, I hope you enjoyed that book. That is spring for us, so get ready to get your farmer pants on. Or if you don't have any, I don't. Just get some pants that you don't mind getting dirty. And let's get planting. But in the meantime, it's spring and I hear the rain coming. So I am not going to a pizza shop, unfortunately. But I am going indoors so I don't get wet. I'll see you next time.